I actually just arrived in Paris right now, and today we're gonna talk about how to actually be successful by breaking all the rules and just, you know, hopping on a plane for some orange juice. Jus d'orange. Paris. My name is Dominik, by the way. Cue the intro. Can you sleep, man?
Not really, to be honest.
Yeah, I was just thinking about something really weird. Do you want to go to Paris for breakfast?
Oh my god, let's fucking go.
Alright. 5 a.m. in the morning, and they, you know, I have sleeping issues, but I booked the flight. The flight was at 7 a.m., so, you know, got to pull through. Slept for, I don't even know, 10 minutes? 30 minutes, I don't even know. But sometimes you just got to break your habits. Sometimes you just have to, you know, do some different stuff. At least that's what I feel. Fortunately, my friend's with me, and he just came. So let's go to the airport. Question is, what's gonna happen if you enter the shop? You're gonna get roasted? Huh?
Apparently.
Interesting. So we were not kidding you. We booked a flight to Paris just for the day to actually, you know, just have some breakfast.
And have some fun.
And have some fun. Yeah, you know, that's what it's all about usually. People always get, first of all, upset. Second of all, they get stressed about, you know, getting into planes. You know, always trying to be the last person on the plane. Because, you know, just because there's, you know.
You gotta be careful. The snakes on the plane.
Yeah, yeah. If there's a bus, it's even better to be the last one in the bus, just because it's cramped usually, and you know, you'd be the first one to get out if you're the last one in the bus. So that's the tutorial for today, I guess. I just fell asleep. I'm so tired. I don't know if that's a good idea to go to Paris right now. Probably bad time to actually think about that, but actually I just want to go home to my bed. I just want to be alone.
Now your window blinds. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and have once again a look at the safety card instructions.
Did I ever tell you the sun is a very beautiful creature? Alright, my friends on the internet, you know, I've got to say sorry because I'm so tired and I feel like I'm really drunk. And I'm sure people will say I'm drunk, but I'm tired.
You can say, babe.
I actually just wanted to give a plug to this guy. People probably don't know that, but I used to be in a company called Tinder, where we, you know, taught people how to, you know, be successful.
How to Tinder.
How to Tinder. That's actually the right way to put it. And he's gonna start a YouTube channel about this pretty soon, so, you know, make sure to follow him. But I can't put a link in it because there's no link yet, I guess. Or is there a link?
Maybe.
Maybe. You're gonna be the one that saves me. Yeah, that's the plug, you know. Bye. Bye. So we just arrived here in Berlin. No, in Paris. We have no idea what to do. We're just gonna be here for a couple hours, then we're just gonna go back. Concord. Look at this. No, focus. Any idea what we're gonna do here, my friend, today? Because I don't. Right, so it's official. We're here for breakfast, man. Where are you gonna get some breakfast?
At some brasserie.
It's a brasserie. That's church. totally forgot what a beautiful city that Paris is. You know, you always forget that for some reason. And I kind of hated it because a couple of years ago I was almost killed and shot right in the city. Some guy drew a gun on me, but you know, that's all forgotten. You know, this video is not some sort of tutorial where I say, do this, you'll get this out of it. The only thing that I wanted to tell you in this video, you know, just do shit, you know, just don't care about what people think, what people say. And I kind of hate these pseudo-intellectual, pseudo-motivational people usually. But in that sense, you know, because, you know, money-wise and stuff like that, that's not that big of a deal. You know, for most things. And you know, people, especially, you know, your friends, the family, all the people around, they're like, you know, they have some kind of barriers. Like, no, you can't do this just because of that. For example, no, you can't, you know, quit your job. You can't, you know, do whatever you like. You know, quit your job, just go somewhere, you know, break all the rules and do your own thing. Kind of like what I did. And you know, it's kind of like what we're doing right now, actually, because we woke up actually, you know, yesterday. We're like, you know, we just want to go here for coffee. And people that we know, some people wrote me on Instagram, they're like, are you completely crazy, out of your mind? You know, just go Paris for coffee and then just go back. But you know, that's basically the same thing. It's, you know, it's no difference for some people than, you know, just to go from Vienna to, you know, some other smaller town, or from New York City to Chicago. And you know, that's basically what I want to say. It's like all around, there's like all these barriers in your head. You know, but they're just barriers in your head, and once you overcome them, and once you kind of stop giving a fuck about things, that's when you kind of get into a role. Basically, when you stop giving a fuck about anything, that's when you know, start to grow. That's when I started to grow. What about you, my friend?
Yeah, I agree. It's all in your head, guys.
Yeah.
Stop overreacting. Fuck the system.
So apparently we just ate in the oldest restaurant in the whole world. Yeah. It was really amazing.
1685.
Yeah. Right, so the day is probably over. We have to go back to Vienna because, you know, we were just here for a couple of hours. And just look at this view. Thanks Panasonic for sponsoring this knot, because the autofocus sucks. But just look at this view. Anyway, we're headed back to Vienna. Tomorrow or in the next couple of days, we'll have a very, very special video about why your engagement is so low. And because I was talking to some people and I kind of found out something, or not, but we'll see. We'll talk about engagement. My name's Dominik. Well, I'll see you in a bit. Bye-bye.
Gérald Depardieu. Baguette. Baguette.